How to get students premium Spotify. Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to get student premium Spotify. In order to get a student premium account on Spotify, you'll have to check your internet connection, open up your Spotify application, and once you open up, it's going to take you to the interface that looks something like this. Right on this page, click the premium button in the bottom right hand side corner, and here scroll down a bit and go to premium students. And in order to upgrade it, click the try for free 1 month button. As soon as you do that, it's going to take you to the other interface, and here all you have to do is you need to verify that you're a student, and once you're done verifying, tap the next button. On the other page, you'll have to fill out the form in order to get a premium Spotify account. And for that form, you'll have to provide in your contact details, your school, your first name, last name, all sort of things, and your ID type and all that. On the last interface, you'll be receiving a confirmation stating that they'll look into your, or they'll respond to you back after 24 to 48 hours. And that's basically how you can get a student premium Spotify account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.